Hello, I'm Soumya. I'm basically from Bangalore, but currently located in Sweden. First, when I went to Dr. Gaurav clinic, I was married for 9 years. So, in that 9 years, I suffered a lot of miscarriages and one ectopic pregnancy. Also, I underwent two IVF cycles, but which was of no use. So finally, we decided not to take any other treatment and continue with it. We almost lost the hopes that we'll have a child in this life. I visited Dr. Gaurav. Dr. Gaurav suggested me to meet Dr. Chetana in the same clinic. So Dr. Chetana, she took all my previous medical history. She studied all the reports, everything, and so finally she suggested me a treatment called as Uttara Bhasti, which is mainly to nourish the uterus, and it was a 6 months treatment. So finally, she started the treatment, and also she suggested me a few yogasanas, which helps in conceiving and other things. Also, she suggested me a few some diet which I have to follow during the treatment, everything. So I followed all her instructions carefully, and I continued with the diet even after the treatment for some time. And so finally, I can say today I'm very happy and I'm blessed with a baby girl. So I'm a proud mother today. So I wholeheartedly thank Dr. Chetana for giving me a best treatment that she could. Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Gaurav, and thank you, Dr. Chetana.
Mrs. Soumya's case was very typical, where only one fallopian tube was functioning and another tube was surgically removed out. So it was almost a 50-50 chance of case. But today we are very happy to see her with the child she dreamt of. Recent studies show that the average sperm count has been decreased by 48% since 1940, and the woman's fertility rate is also on the decline. Hence, I took this topic infertility to discuss with you all so that you can at least understand and prevent the infertility by yourself before being infertile. There are many theories, but many researchers has believed that usage of pesticides and chemical fertilizers could be a cause, as well as high level stress associated with the modern life. In simple terms, it means a woman not being able to pregnant after a year of having unprotected sex. If a woman can get pregnant but keeps having miscarriages or stillbirths, it is also called infertility. There are so many causes which affects infertility, hence we can divide them into female infertility, which is of 30%, male infertility, which is also of 30%, mixed infertility causes and unexplained infertility causes are of 20% each. Causes of male infertility, you can see here about 34% are unexplained because it includes variety of factors such as unhealthy lifestyle activities, climate, work stress and others which we cannot conclude. And others are reproductive related diseases, infectious, or might be due to systemic diseases. Causes of female infertility, majority is due to ovulatory disorders. Among them, PCOS is highest cause of infertility. Others include tubal blocks, adhesions, endometriosis, fibroids, etc. Yes, there are so many myths regarding infertility, so you have to understand the facts behind those myths. This is very untrue because I already mentioned that the causative factors for infertility are equally divided between men and women. Fertility decreases steeply after the age of 35 in women. By the age of 40, a woman has only 5% chance of getting pregnant. And studies also shown that pregnancy rates drop if the man is above 40 years of age. Infertility is physiological disease just like diabetes or cancer. It is same as telling someone with cancer to just relax and you will be healed. Timely diagnosis and treatment is very crucial because as age advances, the chances of getting pregnancy decreases.